Hello, I'm Dr. Laura Mason. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about module SL141, Human Anatomy. So the module content and structure. So there's 16 one-hour lectures on this module. You can see obviously the particular areas covered in the table in the middle, but also then in addition to this, 11 one-hour e-lectures. So these are tied to something called McGraw-Hill Connect, which is an online resource that we purchase for you, tied to the core textbook of the module. So this module is taken by sport and exercise sciences students, but also maths and sports science and medical engineers. So we have around 200 students on the module. So during lectures, I use audience polling software such as Kahoot to make sure that everybody is understanding what's going on and is engaged with the material. So in addition to the lectures, we are a practical degree, so we do have some practical labs associated with anatomy. So we have virtual reality sessions. So the image you can see on the right there is our virtual reality lab. So students here are working in groups. One member of the group is in virtual reality and they're working through a purpose-built application for this module, which is allowing them to assemble a skeleton and then put on and correctly label the muscles of the body. We also have a 3-hour practical lab session during the latter part of the semester, where students are doing some sort of practical skills to help engage with the material. So the image that you can see here, the students have done body painting, but we also have materials such as assembling a joint with plasticine, so helping students understand different tissue types as part of that. We always get asked how modules are assessed. So this module has a 75% component that is an exam. This is mostly multiple choice questions, and that is really closely tied to the McGraw-Hill Connect material that you engage with throughout the semester. It also has some short answer labelling questions. So as well as that, we have these practical assessments. So 20% of the module is assessed in that 3-hour group lab session that I mentioned, in small groups of around 5 to 7 students. And the other 5% then comes from a virtual reality-based assessment, so an individual assessment where you would be asked to carry out some work within the application. So assembling a particular part of the body and putting on and labelling the muscles correctly. So that's just a quick introduction.